Hi, welcome back to the Corner TV with Rihanna, and in this video we'll talk about interesting words to pronounce. This is the fourth edition of the topic, and these are just words. You can see the links of the other videos that I made in the description and also right here or maybe here all throughout the video. And if you're just new to my channel and watching my videos for the first time, just click on the red subscribe button for more videos and also on the notification bell for upcoming uploads. Also, follow my page right on Facebook, The Corner TV with Rihanna. I'm also on Instagram and Twitter. Just search and follow the hashtag The Corner TV with Rihanna. As always, pronunciation will vary depending on the native language and the native speaker. And the videos that I create are just for learning purposes. It doesn't hurt to treat your mind as a repository of everything unfamiliar when it comes to the English language, like grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. And also, you don't need to perfectly pronounce each word that you encounter wherever you go or whatever you do, as long as you fully express yourself and also you get to say what you really mean, then it's all good. You are fully understood in that way already. So, in this video, we'll just focus on the pronunciation and also where the main stress is, and also on the phonetic spelling that you will see right here. Okay, so on to the first item. This one, you say foible. Foible. This is the weak portion of a sword. So imagine this is a sword. This is the point and the middle part of the sword, the point, the middle. This is where the foible is. That's the weak part of the sword. And also, another definition of foible is a weak part or a slight defect of character and behavior. Foible. Next, this one, I used to say paltritude or it's quite challenging, right? But the correct way to say it is pulchritude or pulchritude. Pulchritude. The main stress is on the first syllable, and it means physical beauty or comeliness. Pulchritude. Next is you say louche. Louche. That is, the meaning or definition of this one is not reputable or shady. Louche. Next one is, the French pronunciation for this word is malaise, but the English pronunciation is malaise. Malaise. So the first syllable is, the vowel sound on the first syllable is a schwa, and on the main stress, which is the second syllable, it's lays. And remember, when S is surrounded by vowel sounds, it should be sounded as a Z. Malaise. So it means a condition of general weakness, especially often marking the onset of a disease. And also it's a discomfort, lethargy, and weakness. Malaise. And next one, you say poignant. Poignant. It is deeply, poignant means deeply affecting the feelings or touching or moving, like a movie or a novel, or yes, something like that. Poignant. Next word, you can either say debacle, or debacle. Debacle, or debacle. This means complete failure or disaster, or even fiasco, debacle. Next is awry, awry. So two syllables, and the first one is schwa again, and the last one is rai. So I remember I used to say ori, which is wrong. So you say awry, which means away from the proper direction or off the correct or expected course, awry. And next, for this one, you say tyrant. Tyrant. Tyrant means an absolute ruler, or who exercises power brutally or unjustly, or even a dictator or a despot. So that's tyrant. And this one is, you say tyranny. I know that it has the same spelling on the first part of the word, or yes, like the first five letters. However, it is pronounced differently. It is tyranny. Tyranny. It means the government, the authority, or the office of a tyrant. Tyrant, tyranny. And next, you can either say niche or niche. And this means a place or a position suitable for a person or a thing. And the other one is, you imagine, for example, this wall. If you will see a hole in it, or maybe a hollow space that you can actually place your books or whatnot, that's a niche. Okay, and the other one is cache. This means a hiding or a secure place of storage. That's cache. Niche, cache. And lastly, you can either say lambast or lambast. Lambast, lambast, which means to assault violently or attack verbally. Lambast. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching the Corner TV with Rihanna. And also, I still need your feedback, suggestion, and correction. Just let me know in the comments. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.